Definitely, I genuinely think more than asking what the government is doing, we should ask what we can do. What the government is doing for the nation, I think we should say what I can do for my country, what I can do for my state, what I can do for my people. I think NGK talks about that, what one individual can do, how he can be a change maker, than pointing out fingers at the government. I am sure it will translate the state and the nation into national GNH, gross national happiness. That's what Bhutan says. I'm hoping all our states, the whole country can become that if personally everybody can think of that and make the change. My respects to both the states here, my respects to both the Honorable Chief Ministers, KCR Garu and of course Jagan Anna I call him. So Jagan Anna ki my hearty wishes, my sincere wishes. I'm sure both the states will see a lot of glory in the coming years. And I see a lot of youngsters coming into the politics. And I just want to share you one information. Do you all know this? This is an important information. Only 2.5% of a population out of 135 crores, only 2.5% of a population, they know the manifesto of a political party. Only 2.5% read or aware of any political party's manifesto. Without knowing that, we have been voting, we have been part of the election. So I truly believe everywhere there has to be an awareness with youngsters about politics. This is a small film which will connect, which will talk about all that. Definitely very happy with a lot of youngsters being a part of the politics. I am also been watching KTR Garu very active on the social media, connecting with every issue here. And also we have our one of the youngest CM now, Jagananna Garu. And of course in Bangalore also we have Tejaswini Surya, a 26-year-old MP going. So definitely there is opportunity for everybody. Everybody should be aware of the situation happening here.
Very good evening to all. I'm truly honored, privileged and indebted to the brand owners and the people of Andhra Pradesh for having me made a very good welcome here. I really can never forget this. People here in Andhra Pradesh have been very kind to me. Coming to cement, I do have a little experience with cement, and in Tamil there's a small proverb. They say, try building a house and try doing a marriage and you'll go through all the tests in life. I'm sure it does happen even nowadays. I do have a little experience with construction, and Jyotika and I, we both are doing a dream house now with Bharti Cement. It means a lot. It takes a lot of trust, a lot of belief when you choose a brand. And our dear Jagan Mohan Anna, as you all call and I call, we both have been college friends. Of course, he is a little elder to me, but I've been knowing him from my college days, and I've been watching him for whatever he's been doing with a lot of passion and love, and what he stands for and what his family stands for. And this is amazing. You all must have seen this amazing visual about the factory, the way it's being made, and he's truly been an inspiration for me in a lot of things, and I know what he stands for. Coming to construction, my site